There's a lot of exhibit stores here. Made of Davao, Filipino. Honey, Cinemac. Look at this. Some paintings. Beautiful paintings. Mati. The LGU City of Mati store. Wow! There is a lampshade, native lampshade. See, there is a horn. A horn of a carabao. Oh! This one, look at this statue. There's a cobra. Coral. Look at this. You can buy some souvenirs for Kadayawan Festival. It's opening now. This Pag-asa. Oh my God, so beautiful. Native bugs. Wow, bats. Beautiful bats. Yes, look at this beautiful pots. Tagpila na yung banga. Oh. 1,500. 10,000. Antique na. There's, oh, mga antique na ni cups. This nice for coffee and chocolate. I like this. So amazing. Some more pictures. I like the pots. I like the pots. Sagpila ang mugs ni mo. Ha? Like 60? 360. Ay isa? Ano sa made siya? Clay? Souvenirs, no? That's there. Basil cheese kitchen. There's a lot here. Wow, I like this crochet. How much this crochet? Made of crochet. Sunflower crochet. I like 200, mom. I like this. Ilay last 200 yun siya isa. I like the crochet. Tapos native, gusto ko bamboo ako ang flower vase. Then bamboo, no? Wala may bamboo na ano. Bamboo na may August. Davao City will celebrate the Kadayawan Festival. Here, some exhibits of some foods, paintings, the products of Davao City. Wala yung mga bamboo, no? What is this? Ano saan siya? Wall lang siya ni decor. 450, I like this. Ano saan siya made, animal? Buli? Abaka? Decor? Mura lang, 450. Ha? Lamesa lagi. Centerpiece. Ay, oh. 450 lang, oh. Thank you, thank you. Products of Davao. Hello, guys. Like this. I'm gonna try this. Hello, Davao. Like this. Back here. Put it here. Native dogs. Foreigners. Okay, thanks for watching. Happy all. Oh, there is an Bakya ni Neneng. This is so nice. Bakya ni Neneng. Some stuffs. Beautiful bags ko. Banig bags.
Yes, ma'am.
How much this?
It is 1,000. Kaya niya mga 20 kilos.
Ito?
Yes,
Ang weight niya?
yes, ma'am. Share mo na kayo. May design pa ko dito na may...
This is for Oriental, Davao Oriental.
Yes, ma'am.
And so this thing, how much this?
That is only 150, ma'am. Sale ko na yan.
Sale mo na?
Yes, ma'am. Original price this one ma'am, is 2,000. Eh, since ito na rin natira, first day pa lang, alam mabenta.
Itong ano?
Yan at saka ito.
Magkano ito? What
This
is
is
it?
150.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Sale mo na ito?
Yes, ma'am. Pinasela ng boss ko. Ito ma'am, maganda ito kasi
Nice,
may
oh.
ano siya, may...
Ay, oh,
wallet
bag.
po.
Oh, tote bag.
Yes. Ito ang binago sa...
Marami man visitors coming, but mga puro.
Yes, ma'am. Pero ito na lang natira.
Mura lang ito. Ay, balikan ko lang ito ha. Ay,
Pumili ka na
150?
lang, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Pumili ka na lang. Balikan mo. Alin dyan.
Gusto ko may red and yellow. Ay, dala red. Yung kadayawan dyan kaya ba?
Yeah, this one. Ay, hindi na siya.
Ang yellow na lang.
Ito, ito.
I like this.
Pumili.
I like this. Ano lang sa kadayawan, suotin ko sa kadayawan. Pag-parade ba? Mag-parade. Pag-parade. Sa indak-indak. May mga ganito ko nawala, mga ba? Bali, 150 lang, sir.
Sige. Pero original price ano, ma'am? 500.
Oh. I like the yellow siguro. Sige, balikan ko lang, sir, ha? Ana. Kani ka. Politician ka doon eh. Kung politician ka, guest ka. Ano siya eh? Ano saan eh?
Lay.
Lay. This is a lay if you are a politician
Yes.
or a guest of honor. I'm not a politician. Kaya sponsor ka. Kanira ko accessories balik.
Sige, ma'am.
Sige, thank you so much. Hi guys. Hindi ba ito na?